In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with anything. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure you're set up for success. First, start by heading over to Clickup's website where you'll find a host of features preparing to revolutionize your workflow. Once there, you'll notice the login option. Go ahead and click on that icon to bring up the login screen. If you're like most and utilize Google's single sign-on feature for ease of access, you'll click on Sign In with Google. This method not only saves time but also enhances your security with an extra layer of protection. After you've clicked the Google sign in option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you're already logged into your browser, you should see a list of accounts to choose from. Select the appropriate account associated with your Clickup profile, or you'll need to input your credentials if it's not listed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Clickup's main dashboard. Take a moment to appreciate how everything is tailored for an effortless workflow experience. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where your profile name is located. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is where you'll manage various settings and applications linked to your account, providing you a personalized and organized workspace. From the drop-down menu, look for the Apps option and click on it. This section is crucial as it opens up all the extensions and integrations available for your Clickup account. Within the Apps section, your next destination is the App Center. Select this option by clicking on it and you will gain access to a wide array of applications ready to be integrated with Clickup. This center is pivotal for connecting Clickup with your essential tools and making work more integrated and seamless. The App Center presents you with a list of potentially transformative tools designed to integrate smoothly with Clickup. Explore the App Center and select any applications that catch your interest. For this guide, let's consider the Dropbox integration as an example. Click on Dropbox from the list. This is just one of many integrations available but serves as a fantastic example due to its popularity and utility in managing files. On the Dropbox page within the App Center, you'll find an enticing Connect button. Click on that to begin the integration process. Follow any on-screen prompts to authorize Clickup to connect with your Dropbox account, ensuring that all necessary permissions are granted, so no triad. This allows for a seamless link between your tasks and your stored files. And there you have it, you've integrated Dropbox with Clickup, effectively enhancing your workflow. This process applies similarly to almost any application available in the App Center, allowing you to build a system that perfectly suits your needs. By the end of this video, you should feel confident integrating a variety of tools with Clickup, paving the way for a more streamlined and productive workday.